YouTube? Listen, family, if y'all ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below. Listen, as always, I got a jam-packed video, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Listen, guys, we got a huge week upon us, and so I want to make sure we off top understand what's at stake. Check this out. Most anticipated earning releases for this week, the week of April 28th. Guys, kicking it off on Monday, we got Domino's, we got Waste Management on Tuesday. Check this out. You got SoFi, PayPal before market open. Also before market open, you got Coke, Pfizer, Altria for my dividend people, Spotify. That's one to keep your eye on. That's before market open on Tuesday. After hours, we got Visa, Starbucks, Snapchat, to name a few. And then it gets real on Thursday and Friday, on Wednesday and Thursday, because we have some of the big dogs piping in. Okay, and so listen, man, we're gonna have a phenomenal time this week. Lots of opportunity, and I need you guys to look at volatility as opportunity. Okay, when at your job, meaning as a trader, you want to be able to make money, so you want plays to move up and down based on what you're doing. Up if you're in calls, for example. Up if you're investing, for example. If you know how to short, if you know how to hedge, then you okay, comfortable making money when things go down, okay? But you want the volatility. That's how the day-to-day money is made. Long term, we're all investors and we're looking for the market to go up. Matter of fact, the market will go up as long as you have a longer term horizon, okay? But these are some of the big dog companies going to be presenting. Microsoft on Wednesday after the bell, Meta, Robinhood, Qualcomm, okay? Then on Thursday, before the bell, you got Eli Lilly. Then you got Amazon after the bell, Apple, all eyes to be on them. Throw in a couple of them like Airbnb and Reddit. And then Friday, you got Fubu and ExxonMobil, to name a few, Chevron, some energy plays. But it gets real this week, okay? This week is kind of like the Super Bowl for the investors, okay? And so expect lots of just up 1 minute, down the next, unexpected move here or there, okay? I want you to be on guard. Matter of fact, bring your A game. Speaking of that, everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team. Check this out, guys. Plays that I need on deck for just in general, in terms of making money, in terms of this week, in terms of just if you need to know where to invest your money. I'm talking about investing now. You can always take this same information to trade with, but I'm talking about if you are investing and you need assets to buy and to hold your money. Netflix is going to be one of your ones, okay? Ticker symbol NFLX. Guys, I can't pound the table on this one enough. It is slowly but surely doing everything we said it would do, okay? But it's important that you see how it was done. It's important that when stocks are low, that ain't when I need y'all panicking, okay? I need y'all to be trusting the process, trusting that, oh, this is what people mean when they say buy low, meaning investors, not people. People don't know what they're talking about, but this is what investors, when they say and they talk about the importance of buying when stocks are on sale, buying when stocks are low, buying when corrections or bear markets and things that occur. This is what we mean, okay? So when this was 700, we have to be buying, okay? Because then when it's sitting at 1100, we can put our feet up. Another one, if you missed Netflix, here's the one that I want you to have, okay? I got a couple for you guys today just because I want to see you win, man, and I want you to position yourself properly. CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. This one has, we say don't call it a comeback. This one has made a full bounce back from the fall off a cliff it had, but up 12% just in the last week, sitting at 424. I'm expecting, as good news flow into the market, the plays that the coach gives are going to go even crazier. They're going to go higher. They're going to go up even more. CrowdStrike could be one of them ones. Not everything, so don't be all over the place, okay? Find your ones in addition to the ones I'm going to give you, okay? But then know that these ones that coach are putting in front of you, that I'm serving up on a platter, these are the ones that's going to get busy. Crowd will be one of those ones. So while this is at 4, I'm not putting a price target on this one, but just know if it's at 600, if it's at 700, that don't surprise me. But I just want you to be where the momentum is at. But I'm talking about momentum combined with quality, okay? That's CrowdStrike. Another one, same trajectory, is Meta, ticker symbol META. I'm not letting y'all sleep on this one, okay? They're gonna have temporary pain, temporary headwinds, and it ain't gonna even be painful because look, they're up 9% and they got everybody and their mama coming at them, okay? So imagine when they get off their shoulder. Imagine when everybody get off their back, how they gonna stretch out and take off, okay? So at 547, don't be surprised if this go back to 600 this week. But again, you need to get it when it's on the low. We buy this in the 4s and the 5s. No questions asked. If you see a 5 in front of anything on Meta or a 4, you buy it. Because coach told you this too is $1,000 stock, just like Netflix, okay? So keep that in mind for me, all right? And then what else I got? Oh, the SPY. All right, so listen, y'all already know. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We coming out the gate, cracking heads, okay? Check this out. This week, the SPY is going to go to 555. That's going to be one of the targets. We got some low-level resistance we got to battle through. I'm hoping for, if we can't get a gap up, I want to get a gap and go, ideally. If we can't get that, then we're going to just climb and claw our way to my levels, okay? Be in the Discord first thing in the morning because pre-market can give me a better window into the downside levels that they might try to play. Speaking of downside, guys, this will be 545 and 538 is support. Write this stuff down for me, guys. Write this down. 545 is support for tomorrow. I don't care what they do. That's support number 1. So what does that mean, coach? 2 things. If it falls, it's going to 545. So you need to know that. So you're looking for a bounce when it hits support. So that could be an entry, okay? And then you ride it from 545 back to this price right here. And then coach already told you the upside target for this week is 555. So that's a $10 range, okay? If it go lower than this, if some news happen while I'm making this video and I don't know about it, and we go down, 538 is the next level of support. That's support number 2. You always want to identify 3 levels of support. Coach is giving you 2 in this video. That's support. So from 538, we would just go back to 545. We're going to go from 545 back to 551. That would be how it would look on a pullback, but still going to the upside. Ultimate target, 555, okay? It's going to go higher than that, guys, but I need you to be conservative. And I need you not to be greedy. I need you just let your runners do the rest, knowing that you were given the levels well in advance, okay? Keep that in mind. I wouldn't be surprised if we beat these battles and we knock out resistance levels, that we take off and fly. That's wouldn't surprise me in the least, but we have a lot of things that could factor into that, whether we take off or we pull back. So like, for instance, if we get some news this week that this administration with Trump and China is making some progress, boom, as soon as the market hears even a whisper, just know your stock's going to take off, okay? If he happen to say, man, I talked to them, I ain't doing nothing with the tariffs on China, just know that same exact message can make stocks come down. So make sure your TVs is on CNBC. Make sure you're watching the right stuff and you ingesting the right information throughout the trading day so you can at least be aware when sudden change happens, okay? Listen, man, coach won't hold you guys up today. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Bring your A game. Everybody else, consider joining the money team. We will get busy over there, okay? Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.